In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete your Grubhub account. Let's get started. First, launch your Grubhub app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the account page. Here you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down and click on the option Manage Account. Click on Manage Data or Delete Account. Now you'll be directed to this kind of page. Scroll down, click on the option Submit a request for delete your personal information. In case you haven't verified your email address, you'll need to do that. Type in your email address and click on Verify My Email. Now go ahead and check your mail. You will be receiving mail from Grubhub. Launch that mail. Now click on Confirm Email Address. After you confirm it, you're going to find this option of Submit Request. Click on that. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Click on Delete and confirm it. With this, your account will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete or cancel your Grubhub account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.